Punyeta! Para sa'yo to! Para sa kinabukasan mo ito! Mierda! Idiota! Bata ka lang! Hindi mo alam kung anong tama at mali. Esto para nuestra familia. Tu hijo de puta! Estás bien pendeja. This is the 5th time that you rejected a good marriage, Zaina. Do you think you have a choice in this? Your worth means nothing.
Sa taong mahal ko lamang ko ikakasal.
This is not the matter of my worthless family. How arrogant. The audacity of you to act as if you honor this family. To bastarda. Belmi aquí! Zaina!
Kumusta?
Hola. I didn't mean to bother your dancing.
Paumanhin, ngunit hindi ko naunawaan ang iyong mga winawika.
Lucento, I mean pasensya na. Ngunit hindi ko nais na istorbohin kasi yung ginagawa.
Maaari ko bang malaman kung anong sadya mo rito?
Hindi ko din alam. Nais ko lamang mapagbisa.
Ganun ba?
Hindi ko nais na umalis ka. Pasensya.
Akala ko naman. Gusto mo bang sumayaw?
Supongo que sí.
I'm telling you, Tio Galen, they definitely act disturbing.
Nakakasigurado ka ba? Baka guni-guni mo lang yan? Hindi naman kayo magkasundo sa simula pa lang.
I'm sure. I won't lie to you about this, Tio.
Then, what do you want me to do about it? Makakasira ito sa ating pangalan kung nakalabas ito sa publiko.
Then how about stopping the problem in secret?
Mr. Alfonso, Miss De Leon, pinapatawag po kayo ni Mrs. De Leon.
Why can't Mom just stop matchmaking? I'm getting tired of people looking at me out of pretense when they look my way. Marriage. Is that what's good to make of a woman? A product of their societal expectation for a woman to end up nothing but a wife? Ridiculous.
Then what are you going to do?
Run away. For a while perhaps. sister?
Tio, that's Zaina, right?
Go back. Balik. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, bumalik na kayo doon? Balik!
Balik na tayo. This is what I was telling you, Tio.
Sinasabi ko na nga ba?
Tio.
Halika na. Halika na. Oh, umuwi ka na. Ha? Umuwi ka na.
Okay, tama na yan.
Umuwi ka doon. Ha? Ha? Umuwi ka, ha? Ito pala ginagawa mo. Umuwi ka doon. Tumayo ka. Ikaw, hindi pa pa yung pamilya natin, ha? Ha? Umuwi ka na. Umuwi ka na. Umuwi ka na.
Ilang taon na din ang nakalipas nung nahuli tayo ng iyong tiyo. Pilit ko pa ring binabalik-balikan ang ating tagpuan. Lugar kung saan kita unang nakilala at lugar kung saan dalawa lang tayo ang nagmamahalan. Umaasa akong makikita kitang muli at maibalik natin ang masasayang alaala na ating binuo. Masakit mang isipin, ngunit huli na ang lahat. Huli na ako. Nabalitaan kong ikakasal ka na pala. May habang buhay pa bang naghihintay sa atin? Sa mundo kung saan naging akin ka?
Are you sure you want this? The wedding, I mean. I thought you called it off to reconcile with Misha.
I don't think she would want to see me. After all,
But this is not what you want.
Miss De Leon, are you done preparing? Mrs. De Leon is requesting for both of you and Alea to be on your way outside. The ceremony will start soon.
yes, she'll be there now.
Denizio, are you feeling nervous, darling?
No, mother. It's just a bit of a bazaar that I'm wearing at a very young age. Though it is welcome.
You know, your father and I traveled off since I was the age of 16. He was 19 at that time too, just like you. We were standing at the altar, handsomely. Your bride will love you after seeing you in this altar.
I hope so, mother.
Magiging ako pa kaya ang naghihintay sa pasilyo sa kabilang buhay? May habang buhay pa na magiging tayo? Nahihintayin kita habang ika'y naglalakad sa pasilyo. O di kaya ikaw ang naghihintay sa akin? Magiging mas mabuti ba ang susunod na buhay kaysa sa isang ito?